Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit Magentas in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. Here it usually opens up in the gallery, and from the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Here, after it loads, from the bottom bar we have to select color. After selecting color, in the top right corner, there is a mix button. We tap on this, and then we find the magenta circle. It's the very last on the right side. And here we actually have multiple options that we can do. First, we can edit the hue of it, how purplish or how reddish it is. Actually, the colors form a circle. Then we can edit the saturation of it, how rich or how grayish it is. Then we can edit the luminance of the magentas, how dark if we move it to the left, or how light they are if we move it to the right. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.